Hi friends, today's letter is U. And look, Mateo and the llama found a big U made of umbrellas. How unique is that? In this episode, U is for umbrella, university, and unicorn. Mateo's in for a magical U adventure. This is Marta, Mateo's grandma. She makes beautiful umbrellas, and her shop is full of them. And of course, umbrella starts with the letter U. Mateo loves to come to her store. It's one of his favorite places, so full of color, umbrellas, and grandma hugs. Mateo's on his way to meet Grandma Marta by the university, then walk with her to the umbrella shop. Mateo just spotted a unicorn. That's right, unicorn starts with U. Here's a fun fact. In Scotland, the unicorn is actually the national animal. Pretty magical, right? Mateo does get distracted sometimes. He decided to cuddle the unicorn to comfort her, completely forgetting he was supposed to meet Grandma Marta on time. Mateo remembered Grandma Marta. He hurried over and gave her the biggest hug. On the way to her shop, Mateo told Grandma Marta all about the unicorn he met and how unicorn starts with the letter U. Look at all those colorful umbrellas. Did you know umbrellas were first used to block the sun, not the rain? That was over 4,000 years ago. Mateo and Grandma Marta always have unforgettable fun in her umbrella workshop. They laugh, play, and make memories that last a lifetime. Grandparents are one of a kind. Don't forget to visit yours when you can. The curious little unicorn, gently exploring the big U made of umbrellas. Maybe it's her favorite letter too. Mateo heard something outside. Could it be the unicorn again? He decided to go take a look, just to be sure. Mateo heard a sound, and there she was, his little unicorn friend, back again. Some friendships are just meant to be. Just as Grandma Marta came outside to look for him, the unicorn was gone. Mateo told her all about his little friend, and as always, Marta believed every word. What an unforgettable day. Umbrellas, the university, Grandma Marta, and a unicorn. So many U words and a little bit of magic. See you next time. And don't forget to ask a grown-up to subscribe so we can keep exploring the alphabet together.